Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
If you are seeking seclusion and relaxation, then the gated community, Gates of Edgehill, is perfect for you. This property, which is number 65, is in a cul-de-sac which enhances the property of privacy and relaxation. Nestled in the hills of St. Mary, just 15 minutes away from Ocherous. The property has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 24-hour security, clubhouse, infinity pool, bar, grill, and fitness center. All attractions are minutes away, including Mystic Mountain, Dunn's River Fall, Dolphin Cove, Blue Hole, and so many other beaches and entertainment spots. The land area of this unfurnished house is 4,876 square feet. Other features of this property includes porcelain flooring, main level entry, fully fenced, fully walled, family oriented, no pets are allowed, rural setting, landscaped, level lot, and gated community. The asking price for this house is US $296,105 or US $45.5 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
Daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down. I don't wanna let myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down. I don't wanna let myself down.
For watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.